Today our tutorial is about growing plant. First is we are going to go to our first frame and then we are going to draw the basic line for the ground. So using the color here, we have an available color here and then select the color brown. So we are going to draw the the ground. So here we have number 16. So for number 16 brush size, we can adjust it to number 50 and then draw a simple soil like that one, as you will see here, and that is a soil. So that is our first step. Second step is we are going to copy this one. So using the draw a selection, we are going to copy the first ground like that, and then so we are going to copy, proceed to number 2, and then paste. Alright, so here, so we are going to add something. So basically we are going to get the pen, and then let's say for example we need to add the size of the soil. Same scenario is we are going to copy the second drawing like that, then proceed to copy, go to number 3, and then paste. So here we will again add an additional soil, so it will turns like that. Next is the same process, so a repetition process on how to add the on how to copy the third drawing. Just copy, proceed to number 4, and then paste. And then for number 5, for number 4, we are going to add an additional, an additional soil. Next is for number 5, so we will copy the number 4 soil and then proceed to number 5. Okay, so afterwards is we are going to paste, copy, then paste. Next is do some improvement. So let's say for example is we are going to erase this portion, and then draw an additional effect like that one. Great. And then make some thickness on this part, and then afterwards go to copy the drawing, and then go to number 6, number cut number 5, copy, and then go to number 6, paste, then go back to pen, and then do some additional like that, so we can tap by 2 fingers to repeat, and then change the brush size. So and then we are going to add something like that. Okay, alright, then same process, just copy, and then go back to number 6, copy, number 7, paste, And then for number 7, we need to add something. So here, so we will add an additional soil, which is coming from, all right, and then same process, copy, then go to number 8, paste, copy, then paste. Next is, alright, so we are going to, oops, we need to add some details, so it may looks like this one. Alright, so as you will see here, we have like that. So as we play the animation for the soil, so that is on how are we going to do on the soil. Okay, next is we will add some layer, so we need to add or go to another layer, and then here we are going to make some a sprout. So we need to sprout the soil or a seed from the soil. So we are going to draw a seed here. So select the desired color for your seed. So let's say, for example, a yellow green. Okay, sorry. So select, turn on, and then go to number, and change the size, brush size. Okay, so that is for number 5. Okay, so let's say, for example, that is our seed. Next, number 6, number 7, number 8. So remember, when you are drawing the second, you need to turn on the light bulb here, and then here we are going to copy the layer or the frame, and then go to number 9, then paste. So as you will see here, we need to copy to the layer for from number 8. We are going to copy, sorry, let's go back. For number 9, just again, we will select, okay, redo. We need to copy this section, and then we will proceed to number 9, wait, copy, number 9, paste, number 10, paste, 11, paste, 12, paste. Alright, so here for number 10, we need to go back to number 2 layer, and then select the pen, go back to number 9. Here is we are going to draw the growing plant. Alright, so that is our first plant. Let's say, for example, like that. Next, for number 11, so we are going to make our plant grow like that. And for number 12, assuming that we have the first leaf, okay, like that. So let's try to play our animation. So there is something need to improve in our drawing. So as you will see here, the plant is not typically grows like that, so we need to do some adjustment here. So let's say, for example, for number 11 and number 12, we need to add another layer. So we are going to repeat, or we need to erase, sorry, right, we need to repeat the process for number 12. Alright, so here we are going to add something like that. Alright, for number 13, we need to copy the layer for this number 12. From number 12, copy the layer. Alright, copy, go to number 13, paste, same, add for number 14, number 15, number 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Alright, go back to number 13, and then for layer number 2. For layer number 2, same process, is we need to draw. Alright, we need to draw the plant like that and add something. Alright, next for number 14, we are going to add an additional leaf. Wait, okay, so let's say, for example, we have our leaf here and an additional leaf. Alright, so like that. Next, go back to number 13, number 14, and number 15. Here is we can make some adjustment like that, and then same. Alright, and then let's say, for example, we need to add an additional leaf. Then number 16, same process, is we need to make the leaf bigger. Alright, and then here, alright, next is we need to add some sprout here. Okay, for number 17. Alright, so we need to improve or add something like that. Okay, assuming that we only have the following leaf like that, leaves. Alright, so we are going to delete the other frame. Alright, okay, so here we only have 17 frames. So that is our project for how to animate a simple soil with a sprouting plant. So as you will see, we have the different types of layers na ginamit natin or we use in this process. So this time is we're going to save. Thank you.